In 2020, Mayor Alan Joynes and the Winston-Salem City Council passed a resolution establishing clean, renewable energy goals for the city. Soon, you'll start to see some of those first steps reaching that goal to get underway. Solar panels are going to be installed atop the downtown Bryce Municipal Building. This will be the first solar to be installed on a city-owned building.
The only renewable energy we were using as a city came from Duke Energy, which that percentage was about 6%.
These new solar panels will produce about 110 kilowatt hours per year, which will cover about 5% of the building's energy. The total cost will come in at about $125,000, but it's just the beginning. More projects will lie ahead over the coming months and years, including exploring options for electric vehicles.
Obviously, we still have about $130,000 left in that capital improvement plan funding, and so we will be using that on other facilities in the coming years. And we're hoping that, now that we've started investing and we'll start to see the outcomes of what we're doing, that'll help increase the buy-in, both literally for funding and then, of course, just support-wise as well.
Over their 25-year projected lifespan, these panels are expected to generate about $175,000 in energy savings for the city. By the end of the decade, the city has a goal to be at 50% clean renewable energy for its operations. And by 2050, the goal is to be utilizing 100% clean renewable energy.
Return on investment can still be longer, but at the same time, we're now seeing more investment in those sort of regardless of how long that might be. And that's really, I think, a testament to the urgency a little bit, as well as the interest in really just pursuing renewable energy for the sake of the environment.
Installation is set to begin by the end of the year. For the City of Winston-Salem, I'm Daniel Cruz.